In this video, we're going to take a look at using CoWriter with Microsoft Word within the Edge browser. For those of you who have used CoWriter with any other application, there's going to be absolutely no difference here, but people sometimes like to see us working in the environment that they're saying their students are going to be working in. I'm going to turn on CoWriter by clicking the extension, turning it on, and the CoWriter window appears within whatever writing environment I'm in. So Microsoft Word is no different for us than Google Docs or an email program or any other location your students are entering text. Now to use CoWriter, press a key on the keyboard. Words appear based on the letter that I pressed plus location in the sentence. So I pressed the letter Y, and you'll see in the number 2 position I see the word Y, because this might be a choice that a student who's a very phonetic or inventor speller is going to press to look for a completely different word. The word I want is yesterday, so I'm going to continue to press keys on the keyboard, avoiding vowels, as most struggling writers do. And after I've pressed YST, I see the word yesterday, and I'm going to press the number 1.
Yesterday.
And yesterday is inserted into Word, and CoWriter speaks the word for me. I'm going to continue to write to create a sentence. And as I press keys on the keyboard, I'll see the words that appear. And I'm also able to point at them with the mouse and listen to those words.
Might. More. Most.
So this helps me choose the actual word
Might.
that I want to insert within the document.
Might.
And to verify it's the correct word. I want the word friends. And friends appeared actually when I pressed the first key. But now you also see that CoWriter is able to predict phrases, and that's what we call neuron prediction. It's gotten very smart, and the focus here is to assist the students in getting their thoughts down, not in really working on the mechanics of writing. So we're focused on thoughts here. We're not focused on actual spelling, because that motoric writing issue can get in the way of the students being able to express themselves. I'm going to press the number 3.
Friends and
here I'll see the correct form of the pronoun I. So I'm helping the student avoid common mistakes in writing, and again, focusing on expressing themselves.
capital I. Went. To the. Museum.
And when I put in a punctuation mark,
Yesterday my friends and I went to the museum.
CoWriter goes back and rereads the entire sentence so that the student is able to verify that that's actually the text that they wanted to enter.